What's up, YouTube? Mr. Random checking in, you hear me? Today's video, we trying to put the roof on a Trans Am game. So I just been going around with some of this here Rushmart. Old Willie Rebuilds put me on game with. This is some good stuff, you hear me? If y'all doing any type of metal work, you definitely need to get you some of that. I got it from Summit. The box came all bust up, leaking a little bit more than what they got up in there now. But they're gonna send me a whole another one. That gallon cost me like $130. So I put all this shit was rust. I ain't even saying that. And you see how it converted, turned it black, it kills it. So we're gonna cure it with the Pool 15 after that. I hit a few spots. I had a lot of rust up in there. You can see it's be dripping off of them. So that's some good stuff right there. Y'all need to get if you're messing with something like this. You know, look at this here spot on the frame right here. All this was rust. It turned it black. So I'm gonna try to get y'all see we had finished this here section. I was trying to think of what I could do to tie these here corners in. I could maybe weld a little piece. I probably don't even have to worry about it because it's gonna be covered by the fender anyway. It's like that on both sides. Let me turn the camera around, gang. All right, so it's like that on both sides, you hear me? So I might try to do something with it or I might try to leave it. But you see that work been coming out real nice. I even started tacking up under there. Pretty much done. I probably leave it like that. She nice and solid, all looking like one piece again. So I use Bondo glass, then I came with it with some regular Bondo on top. So this from here to here splice, this here whole section of patch, this here another patch. You see she looking like a pretty situation now. Got a little bit more clean up to do on it. But I'm gonna try to get this here piece installed in this here corner here. You see that's how bad it was, the pillar. All that was rotten. I think this a rotten hole right there. But she was pretty rough for sure. Same on this other side. And I still got to think of what I'm going to do right here. I guess I need to really probably cut that out of there and fill that in. Probably cut that out and fill that in. I want to give me one of those hand grinders with the little wheel on it so I can get in tighter places. I also had shifted this here over. Remember, our trunk was hanging over, so she nice and tight. I gotta finish tacking him up. I just put a little shit down, you hear me, to get rid of some last little spread. I need to weld some more, grind some more. I'm gonna put this here bump on, see how it fall in place. Since we got this here thing locked down tight where we want it. If you ain't know, our trunk closing now. I think I showed y'all that on the last video. I filled this here antenna hole in. And what else I did? I welded these here little stakes up. So when we get the new roof and we put the new roof on, it could sit right on top of that without moving. I was able to weld 3 of them. I gotta weld that one out. So you see this here side right here. It's looking pretty good as well. Had to patch him up. Put that little section in there. Probably weld it up a little bit more. And I need to start tacking up there. I kind of got a little burnt out on the weld and I've been doing so much. So this a piece, that's a piece. Actually, there's 2 pieces. I had one going down inside of here. I had one up inside of that hole. I've been getting it, you hear me? I've been getting it. This here fender. Y'all remember the fender? Repaired that bottom. I'm gonna leave it like that because that bottom I had to roll in some. This here, what you call it? You hear me? Took a lot of that dent out. So I'm just gonna keep on pinching at it. I need to start playing with the Montecarlo though. Cause Montecarlo about to get on that road, you hear me? Me and Willie Rebuild about to get putting the miners on the road. I was trying to debate if I want to put the scoop on there and get rid of them dents right there. I had to move fast. I got the paint and everything. Put me some little Velcro on there. I would have liked to get an alignment. I'm gonna have to see if I can go get one done. Still didn't get the interior yet. Matter of fact, I need to go drop the headliner off today. It ain't getting too much water in there. You got a very little. What I might do, I might just drill me a hole. So when it do get water, it could drain up out of that, gang. And that'll fix that problem. So ain't no water sitting up under my carpet getting all stink. You know what I'm saying, baby? Huh? That's another thing I need to do. I need to order that carpet today. I need to order that carpet today. And I need to change this power steering return line, because it's a little wet. I need to charge that AC up too. Because we don't want to have that old that white towel. We don't want to ride with no white towel. I need to adjust my that too, the windshield wiper. That ain't right. But this return line, I think it be getting a little wet. So we got that. We got a little work that we want to do before we hit that road, baby. We going me and Willie going old cruising the coast, gang. Huh? We're gonna be in cruising the coast. I might have to put my center caps on, but I lost one, so I might try to order one. You hear me? Y'all talk to me. Talk to me, TTM, baby. Talk to me. Let me know if you think I should go to cruising the coast like this or not. Huh? I matter well cruise over coast and old midnight, huh? With all that red up in there, she ought to be ready by then. Cause I'm gonna get on this ass today, baby. I got a little surprise for y'all too now. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned, baby. I wanted to show y'all this. Like I said, I want to get an alignment. But that damn ball close to that oil pan. I really don't want to pull that motor off. But I think it even get closer when you turn that wheel a certain way. So we're going to check that out too before we drop this here video. Y'all see, we riding tight though. Huh? I would like to put a new exhaust on that too. That exhaust hang too low. You hear me? With that original cross number, exhaust hanging too low. And we're not taking this off, baby. You know what that's for. Talk to me now, TTM. So, hey, I don't know if I'm going to drop this one. I might as well drop it, huh? Because y'all don't like to watch so random anyway. Y'all don't like to hit the like button. You barely want to subscribe. We got a lot of people talking, huh? Talk to me now. Y'all enjoy y'all Good Friday, baby. I'm just getting off and I'm just about to get to work. On old midnight. That's right. That's right. Old midnight. Midnight just need a little loom. She ain't too bad. She just need a little loom, baby. Or do like my boy Chump, paint everything black, huh? Paint everything black, huh? Might have to put a gold block up in here. Talk to me. Huh? So I think we about to start locking in on this here so we can have a nice, pretty situation. You see? Y'all TTM, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Talk to me. Let me know if I should put that scoop on that thing. Should I put that scoop on that thing? I'm gonna go get it and set it on there so y'all can get an idea of what it's gonna look like and you can let me know. I wanted to show y'all this too. We using whatever we can use to make shit work, you hear me? These old parts, cut metal out of here. See this here? You got a thick metal and a thin metal. You had a thick and thin out. We cut this out of there. This that old shit that was all rusted that I had to cut out of there. But we use whatever we can do to get the goddamn job done. I got me some new solenoids I think I'm about to wrap that up. Go ahead on and slap them in. Cause like I said, I'm getting a little burnt out with that welding machine. The smells, the fumes, and all that other shit. So take me a little break from it. But y'all talk to me, man. Let me know what you think about that old scoop. And what you want to see next. Talk to me. I need some feedback. No feedback. We're just going to keep rolling like we rolling. We ain't stopping no matter what. So you matter well, comment what you want to see. And I'm going to just keep giving you what I want to give you. And it's going to be that fire. That fire, yeah. I'm going to holler at you, hear me? Yes, Lord. Got to get all that stuff painted up. And we got some content. Y'all turn that post notification bell on. Oh, yeah. Mr. Random. All right, gang. What y'all think, baby? Of course, it ain't gonna look like that. It's gonna look like that, but it ain't. It ain't gonna be sitting up as much. It's gonna all be flush and all one piece. This here, the scoop I had on with Silverado, we gonna be jumping back on too. Yeah, this the SS Silverado, baby. We got two SS's, SS and SS. Wait, what y'all think? Put the scoop on or no? Got some paint. I could pop them on that right quick and get them all painted up. She look mean or what? Y'all talk to me. Hey, man, appreciate y'all for watching me. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Turn on that post notification because we coming with plenty more. Peace.